Welcome to Programming 1. In this short video, what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you new information about how you will access the download to this class. The first thing you need to do is go into Content. Now I know you've got this bar here. You can go to Content this way as well. In fact, you should probably go to Course Materials. In the course materials, you see that you have a course syllabus. Click Open the course syllabus. Okay, go all the way to the bottom. And in it you see Materials List, Visual Studio Express Edition Free Download. So click this Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition. If this isn't filled out for you when you click Next, just make sure that you fill this out. And just like me, you have first initial, last name, and probably some other identifiers, numbers, or something like that at agoracyber.net. Click Continue. So this will take you to this particular site here. Get started with Visual Studios. Just click Create New Account. Okay, once this comes up, just click Continue. Don't change anything here. And it's going to create the project. You're going to get a progress bar. So this comes up right here. Congratulations, your new team project first product is in the cloud. Now this is going to be confusing to you. Just click Add Code over here on the right. Okay, so it says my first project is empty, add some code. Don't worry about that. Just click this little arrow next, this little down arrow after Clone in Visual Studio. Then you should see this little link called Download Visual Studio. Click on that. Okay, so it's going to download, and you're going to see this little download come up. That's the program that you're going to be installing. Now this is the part that takes the longest. Okay, so when this is finished downloading and you get a Visual Studio EXE, just click on it and start running it. Now if I'm in Google Chrome, you might see it pop up here if you're in Firefox. And you might have to go into your Downloads folder if you used Internet Explorer. Okay, so it might look a little different. But whatever, you just run your execution file. Just choose Run. Okay, eventually you're going to get this up. It says Visual Studio, and you're just going to click Install. Now this is going to take a long time, your installation, so don't get upset. But don't worry about adding C++, okay? You can add C++ another time, okay? When you take C++, how about, right? So but you know, don't pay attention to any of this. Just click Install. Okay, any prompt that comes up, just say yes to it. And just click yes, yes, yes. And once again, this is going to take some time. For me, it took about 20 minutes because I have a very fast computer. It might take you over an hour, okay? So when you finally go to run Visual Studio for the first time, you'll have this pop up. All right, so just click the Sign In. And And then once again, you'll just type the email address of the account you want to sign in with. Just type it in there, click continue. So then you sign on the way that you would normally. So you can choose whatever environment that you like and click Start Visual Studio. Okay, so there you go. Now Visual Studio has popped up. And you're all ready to start your first project.